Guys, so today we are going to show y'all how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2013 Ford Fusion Hybrid Titanium. You'll need this air filter. I got MicroGuard 4078. You'll need a ratchet. You probably don't need this long of an extension, but you'll need a 7mm, and then you'll need a flathead screwdriver and a little bit of time. So let's get into it. So today we're replacing the cabin air filter in the Fusion. I'm going to show y'all how to do it. First step is to open the glove box, and then you're going to want to take this little panel off right here with a flathead very carefully. And the reason I decided to make a video on this is because for the longest time I could not figure out how, and I finally figured out how. Then you're going to gently do it to this trim piece. Just pops out just like that with all these clips. And then you're going to have these bolts here and on the bottom.
They're 7mm.
7mm bolts. Give me 1 second. So you'll take these top two out. And those are 7mm bolts that you're removing.
Note to self, don't lose the bolts.
Yes. Okay, there should be two more underneath here. So, if you're looking underneath here, which is under the glove box, you'll see those two. Those are not the bolts. That's the bolt, and that's the bolt. Those are the two you're going to take out. Once you have those four out, the glove box should come right out. You should be able to pull it, close it. So yeah, it comes right out. It just takes a little force. Be careful, because you have all these here. So next, you'll just kind of prop this up over here. You'll come in here. You have two small Phillips head screws there, and then here is your cabin air filter door. Ford does not make this easy. Alright, so there's two little tabs on the side there and there. You're going to press them, and then this pulls right down, and there's your dirty cabin air filter, which I'm sure will be dirty because nobody replaces these in a shop in this car. Trust me when I say that. Look at that. Yeah, so there she is, ladies and gentlemen. And you're going to want to go airflow down, little arrows. Push the new one in. It'll go in kind of tough. Don't worry. It's part of it. There. And then that should snap back up when it doesn't want to be a pain in the butt. Then you'll replace the screws, and then you'll put the glove box back up, replace those screws, and you're done. You'll just want to get them snug, nothing crazy. And then on, make sure your little clips line up in there. Give me a second. Okay. Alright, so then you'll put this back on, because this has a little snap clip for this. See? Good as new. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you change your cabin air filter on your Ford Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. Lots more content coming out for y'all. Peace.